Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna install Git, create a new repo, and commit new files to it. So without further ado, let's get to it. So to install Git on your local machine, we have to go search, download Git. In this website, navigate to this website, git-scm.com/downloads. We gotta use our version. We can install it using brew, or we can use other binary installations. I'm just gonna go with brew since I have it in my terminal. If you type terminal, you will find your terminal app in here. In order to install Git, you have to use a package installer like brew. How can we install it? Like this. Just gonna enter my root password. Okay, I'm done installing brew. Now let's install Git. Okay, to verify that I've installed correctly, I just type git. If I see these commands, that means I've installed it correctly. Let's clear my terminal with Command K, sorry, and head over to downloads, cd, and clear terminal. Make a new repository with make dir test. No, let's name it git good in git. Navigate to that directory. So in order to create a new Git repository in your workspace, in your working directory, you'll have to type git init. What this actually does is create a hidden folder inside your project, which Git itself will manage. So let's create a new file. Now we have a folder. Let's put up some files in it. Touch hello.txt. Okay, and edit it. This is the first ever file in Git and GitHub. Save, Control X and Y, and enter. In our current working directory, there's a file hello.txt. Files have many different stages in Git repository. I'm gonna need my whiteboard here. I hope you have my screen now. Okay, so we have 3 stages. First one, the second one, and the third one. Okay, the first one is on stage. Second one is staged, and we have committed area. Oh, there's another stage which is ignored files. We're gonna talk about this later. In onstage, first the files that we are creating, it considered as unstaged files, or the files that we are modifying right now. For example, hello.txt is unstaged. In order to commit and telling it to keep track of this file changes, we have to commit it. Okay, but how can we do that? From onstage to staged, we have to use a little command with add. Git add hello.txt. We say, hey Git, we have a file that I want you to keep track of those changes. So hello.txt is now staged, and stage files are ready to commit. How can we move from staged to commit section? By git commit. That's easy, right? The thing is, we might have a lot of unstaged files. We add them one by one or all together. We create a staged area and we commit all of them at once and it goes to a commit. What commit does, it takes a snapshot of your working project and it's like a backup and you can keep the history of it. Usually, we commit the files that are working in our project, so that's why we are taking a snapshot of it. Okay, let's show these in actions. By typing git status, we can see the on branch master. We're going to talk about this later. No commits yet. Untracked files are hello.txt and they're ready to be staged. By typing git add hello.txt and git status on branch master, no commits yet, changes to be committed. New file hello.txt. Okay, that's new. And what if I want to commit and move it to the committing area? Commit, and we have to use git commit -m for commit message. And this is crucial. Adding hello file. Adding hello file, one file change, one insertion, create mode, some number, hello.txt. Now, if we take a look at git status, nothing's to commit, working tree is clean. But is the working directory empty? No. We have hello.txt file here. So, where commits go, how can I tell Git to ignore some files? That's the next video. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Thank you for watching.